Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sadik Jet. So in this video you will learn about the use of window menu. You will learn about use of window. So when you click on window menu, you see that the whole option you see on this screen uh, is the basically the part of window menu. So for example, I have this text layer. Now I want to hide this. The one method is you can just click on this and click on the close panel, so the whole panel will be closed. If you click on the panel, you can just click on this, and now I want to uh, I want that this panel will show here. So now click on this from window. Now you can see this panel has been like this, and after that you can see that and that is animation view window, and now I will click on this window, and for example I want to click on this animation composer. So this is our animation composer. You can drag a list from here to here. No item selected. For example, I select these. So transition preset, click on this. So I still don't have 2D layer. So animation composer, this is animation composer. Drag an item from the list here. Suppose I click on this, so this is not been showing because it gives some. So I will click on from store, so it will not show because you can also use the user guide. I will click on 2D layer and blur, you can just click on this, and you can see that the blur has blur like this. Gaussian blur has used. If you have an object like this, you can use this blur, Gaussian blur. If you want to use this fade and you want to remove this, and this is be like this, and you just need to click on apply and copy this, reset all, and click and click on the. Now I will click on this and make it Control V, and you can also use this object as a animation composer, and click on this and set animation composer. So now I will again click on 2D layer, blur and warp Gaussian. So you can see here. Now I will drag an atom here. No active composition. So you need to drag the composition here. So I will click on composition 2, or you just need to no item selected. So I have used this, and if you add this and drag an item here, drag an item or files here. So for example, I drag this, and now I will use the filter opposition like this. So you can see the filter option has used like this. So here is a use of the filter. If click on the apply button, you can see apply, copy, reset all, paste. So now you see that the composition has red and black, and this is our composition setting. So friends, if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel